Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're excited to end the day driving and checking out this beautiful 1948 Chevy 5-window. Just a over-the-top kind of frame-off restoration and a true showpiece.
When you say over the top, I mean, in my opinion, that's exactly what this is. The chrome's been done beautifully. Wait till you see the engine compartment. I mean, just fantastic.
This is a house of colors paint too. It's a really pretty color, like inside or in the shade.
Yep.
It's a darker, darker green, but it's pretty. It's like an olive green.
That's awesome. Really nice. And how many 3/4 ton 3600s do you see restored? We checked some comparables and stuff. There's none on the market as nice as this one here you're seeing today.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful truck. And this is what I fell in love with it. I'll rev it up pretty quick too if you want.
Yeah, go ahead. Look at that, that's sweet. Brand new carburetor.
It's a legendary motor too. So this is the ThriftMaster Inline 6.
Okay.
It's a legendary Chevy motor known for its, supreme torque, durability, easy to work on.
You telling me this thing hauls ass?
No, but it's got a ton of torque. It'll probably pull. It'll pull your house.
So this thing would pretty much pull a freaking.
They're really like all the
a trailer with a bunch of cattle and shit.
Chevy
That's what they use
from like 32 to 62.
Okay.
And they're big trucks and use them during World War II.
But just
as well.
As Ryan just watches over this, look at the freaking wiring. Look at the steering column, carburetor. Everything on this is so highly detailed and beautiful.
The paint on the engine block, and on the air cleaner, and especially like outside in the sun with the sun kind of hitting it, it's harder to see on the camera the quality of it. But this thing in person, and hopefully it comes through on the camera, is so just neat and tidy. I mean, look at all that. I mean, all the firewall, all the right stickers.
Yeah.
Craig manifold.
What a nice truck.
And beautiful undercarriage too. Frame off restoration.
So make sure you guys go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out those undercarriage photos as well.
Really, really nice paint.
Even the hood ornament and stuff. Once you get back around here.
I will. I just wanted to show them a little bit of the interior too. I mean, door panels are excellent. And I love this. I mean, just finished wood armrest bases.
The seats feel like they're leather.
Yeah.
They're super soft.
Really nice leather seat. Leather headliner too. But I like that they kept the dash and gauges and stuff original. They restored the original gauges, restored the steering wheel, and look at this too, even just the polished wood on the 3-speed shifter. It's a showpiece.
Yeah.
They did relocate the gas tank, which I love. They took it from behind the seat and put it onto the bed.
Okay.
New rubbers.
It looks to me like, Dalton, all the windows, the 5 windows, everything looks like it's brand new glass. I mean, it looks excellent. The rubbers, the chrome around them, the seals are excellent as well.
And it comes with Betty Boo, and she was restored alongside this truck, dude. Look, she color matches the pickup, and they got a little kind of model of this truck in her hand.
So you're telling me we're going to drive this thing about 60 mile an hour down the road with this in here?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, she's sturdy. Yeah.
She's sturdy?
Mm-hmm. But the grill's beautiful. All the chrome was replaced. The hood lines up well. Front bumper looks great. Even like the bumper insert paint is super quality.
This is awesome. But look at this. I mean, just that hood emblem. I personally haven't seen one like that, I guess. I don't know.
Sorry.
See what I'm talking about?
A beautiful truck.
It's awesome.
Ryan, our shop manager, has a fondness in his heart for this thing. He said he learned to drive on almost this identical truck.
No shit.
3600, same color. This House of Colors paint is neat because in different lights, it looks different. It's got the Coker, classic wheels, and also, Coker tires, Firestone bias ply tires. This guy built this car to take to shows and win trophies, even with the old Betty Boo.
And he has.
It does have, so paint's beautiful. You got a couple of spots. Here's a little rise right there in the paint.
About the size of your end of your pinky nail right here.
Yep.
Very, very small. And another spot right here.
And
2 little tiny spots.
I just noticed some I didn't see before. There's just a couple of those little.
Even the seat framing is all body
look at that,
done
dude.
Professionally.
New carpet, jam paint is excellent.
Looks like they put all new top of the line felts and stuff in here as well.
I love this in the leather. Door jam paint's great. Door rubbers are new. Dash is awesome. They left the original radio, restored that, but they have, for playing music, they have a little JBL speaker down here that you can connect to.
Wood grain on the door panels and stuff is the exact finish that's inside the bed too.
Yeah. Really nice attention to detail. Super straight truck. Cab corners are excellent. Running boards are really nice and straight and clean. Box size, beautiful. It's a trophy getter, dude. We're going to park this. We have a car show going on this weekend, and people are going to love this. We'll park it down by our booth. And all the farm town, you know, small town America.
I mean, who do you see? Who you just don't see them like this, you know?
No. And look, they leather wrap the you know, tailgate chains in the same interior. That's the same material.
They really
that's on the
thought of
interior.
everything, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. This matches the interior. Back bumper's great. The bumper inserts excellent. Beautiful undercarriage too. You can see all those pictures on our site. There's the gas tank they moved.
You really get what you pay for on something like this.
Oh,
I mean,
100%.
just overly restored. You know it costs way more than 50 grand to restore this truck. I mean, it's...
Bed's beautiful. All the bolts and everything's new, shiny. There's your exhaust. I love the wide white Firestone tires.
They're tall too. I mean, they're a great looking.
And they went with the expensive ones. On Coker,
yeah,
those are the top, those are the most expensive ones you're gonna get.
Well, there might be just a little tiny.
I think that's on the price on both sides. I think most of them.
Oh, they're okay. I see why it is. Yeah, that's where the bracket goes into.
Yeah, bracket. Yeah, it's be
but
like
there is
bracket
just a little ding in there, like they might have over tightened it. See it?
Yep.
It's a little bit. And I'm being critical, but would have pointed it all out. Even did you show them the exhaust?
Yeah, I did.
That's cool.
It is cool. And look at that, you can tell the paint quality too when you look at the reflection in the door. I mean, this isn't black, but yet it looks like a mirror here on this side with the American flag. Yeah.
There's your bottom. Under the doors, all excellent.
Yeah. That's nice.
Oh, sorry.
I got that side already. And it's got, you want to pull the lever for this? It's right underneath the dash.
Sure.
I think this was probably this was probably a trailer queen. You know what I mean? I bet this guy kind of trailered it to shows.
There's our air conditioning. Well, we ain't gonna trailer. We're driving her.
Yeah, it's only got, how many miles in the odometer?
63.
Yeah.
63 miles
so really
probably on the...
Not many miles on the restoration.
Torque monster.
Yeah.
Boy, the steering wheel is in excellent shape. That's all been restored.
The windows go good, and they even painted the window frames in that green metallic to match, yeah.
I'm gonna lay mine down. It's hot. They did add turn signals, which is nice. Yep. Your wipers are here. They work.
Vacuum.
Thought they were gonna work.
They went up, but I think you're on a dry windshield and vacuum wipers. But
Come on, little girl, get down.
heater stuff's all there, but heater doesn't work. No. They did add, like I said, there's this little speaker here. You can connect your phone and play music or whatever.
It's a nice spot for it too.
Oh, the wipers went down. There you go.
Yeah.
Build some vacuum.
It's amazing that they even go up in the first place, but they will work. They need a little better vacuum tool probably. Oil pressure gauge works. That's awesome. We got about 20 pounds oil pressure, 20 to 30. Gas gauge works, full tank of gas. Amp gauge works and temp gauge works. We're running about 130 degrees. Speedometer works too.
Yep.
One thing I noticed, Ian, I don't know if there's much you can do about it, but our steering wheel's off.
Yeah, steering wheel's off to the left. Yeah, it might maybe able to be straightened. You know, maybe it'll just be popped off and straightened.
Runs nice, really.
Yeah,
nice.
it does.
Brakes are all new. We went ahead and did a ton of new parts on the brakes.
Yep, a lot of brake work. Replaced the front brakes.
It's been a while since
I know you got to map it out again.
We got that 55 Chevy and the 57 Chevy, both three on the trees, you know?
Yeah, it's been a minute since we've had one, huh?
It has, actually. Shift's great once I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's been a long day, guys.
It's like riding a bike. I know, and you've been gone a week or so, coming back right into the fire.
3 weeks. Yeah, so there's our 40 mile an hour right there. 50. The run's beautiful.
Yeah, that run's good. Like I said, they're not a
I think the
interstate
best
truck,
thing,
but
you know, we'll just throw this out there. We'll go ahead and just align the steering. I mean, it's not bad at all, but we'll get that steering wheel straight.
yeah,
So
probably use the line.
goes down the road. I mean, these things are meant for 50, 55 mile an hour. Just cruise on down.
Yeah. It's. I love that the interior's just kind of restored to exactly what it looked like back in the day. Beautifully done.
Oh, it goes down the road awesome too. Look at this. Beautiful. We'll get that steering wheel straightened and it'll be ready to go.
Yeah, just a great truck. Check it out in more detail on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.